We are going to witness the most anticipated match in the history of the world.
La miniano, me nana no, no more zongo, or you declare this a habayaka. Or remember, Papa, I like you to I like you to Papa, I'm going to Pamso, Omuba, Omuntia. I want to be blessed in Are we the only club that has lost? I mean, what are you guys trying to do? Let's be fair. Let's be fair with ourselves. I think that what you are doing with it, honestly, I'm not happy with it. And you just have to put a stop to it. If it's a blather, and I say whatever you guys have in that video, then you guys have to put a stop. Honestly, the education of all my public is very, very poor. Then the empty you're compared to buy, yet they're going to go. What is wrong with that? What is wrong with that? Do you know the aircraft that we use? Who told you they were, if me and Mitia at the age of over 60 years, I did not complain that I was tired. Master, what I'm saying, Master, don't tell me what you are saying. Opa, Korean line, Biana Computer, Boeing 777, is it a small aircraft? It's like Uti Rolls Royce, and somebody is driving a Aquada. Will you compare it? I like it, as someone here came. Then we tell I'm telling you, I'm telling you, to watch a lot of people. And I'm also I like it to watch the Colombia come the ball, yeah. And come on the ball, yeah. Some of your players, some of your footballers, players that complain. I will never tell you this. I will never tell you this.
Definitely, because we started on a very high note, but you see, injuries are suspended. So definitely, because we started on a very high note, but you see, injuries or suspension just gave us some little break. Definitely, because we started on a very high note, but you see, injuries or suspension just gave us definitely, because we started on a very high note, but you see, injuries or suspension just gave us some little break. But I'm telling you, second round, RTU is coming back stronger and stronger because you see Abagna and other colleagues will be coming back strongly. So just hope for a better second round. Yeah.
Don't call the center line. Yes, the man said, "You watch the man in center line." And then, man, because the line, I'm going to prepare for the time. Man, because the line, yes, that's the ball that can be. The coach can say media. That's it. Man, future, no. The coach can say media. So, you know, within the 10 minutes, that was doing, you know, I was doing that. I'm just going to say, I'm a boy. Me pato, I don't make a say. Yeah, funny thing to say, I put if I say one ceremony. Now, if you want to jump out to some moon, I am shepherd. It's a win as I said. I want to call your boss in your man. If you coach and get piano, every movement is down on top of them. Hey, referee, I'm sorry, there's an error. I need to correct now. Correct the answer. If you do, but you need work now. I will change it. If you play the point, yeah, if you do the coach, one and started on catch plus. Hey, one might do it. Oh, yes, I know you next time you're serious. Now, but the phone on Japan is anyway. That's all for me. I'm saying that. Seriously, play for what has now. I want you. Maybe I'll walk on the because the reason is that already now they can say they are recovering from that wound of one. I know my side we are a look at for the wound. So me, not the woman again. For me now, but I know say you know they are recovering. So now they don't support us no with you from where of course a day you will. And I am mama for one more. I love you so.
Oh, darling Jesus, you are always on my case. Now you, they give me joy, they give me peace, they give me grace. So
unknown caller.
Okoma Radio 97.1.
Darling Jesus, you know the good. Oh, darling Jesus, you are always on my case. Now you, they give me joy, they give me peace, they give me grace. So I thank you, my Jesus, thank you, my Lord. Darling Jesus, oh my darling Jesus, you are wonderful, Lord. I love you so much, darling Jesus, oh my darling Jesus, you are wonderful, Lord. You never leave me, you never forsake me. I can count on you when everyone fails me. You know the desire to shower me with.
Ready. For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Okoma Radio. Okoma Radio. Okoma Radio. Okoma Radio.
And the jam is pumping. Look ahead, the crowd is jumping. Pump it up a little more. Get the party going on the dance floor. See, cause that's where
Station with your man Kenya. Okoma Radio 97.1. Station with your man Kenya. Okoma Radio 97.1.
Alright, in the Rainbow Biakwaba, live from a PM Okoma Radio 97.1. Abraham 2, Yasin Kunya, Kachonia, and a song Kachonia. I said the hottest. Tutu Jagu. showing a capital. Yes, over PMO, our whole eastern region. Shobakwa, Aresano Bia Petie, Ayetutu Jaku, Pemuka, and then Umbrea Francis Gigdi, Jaso, I don't see a Faborana Kaka. And then Morana, and one thing Giddy, Abra Cranio, as I said, the Cromano, Oshahawa, these days in Pin for Yajuma. Ebimutumi baba shebo shake sie baba shishe shebo se no esanse age media yedintino omo baba shebo she ni wie ba within 1 week 3 days no burefi nana yeba tutubi area command penifo ene akwa piemo ara woya obe piemo eastern regional Stadium Southwest was say Obakana Sentem 2020 Only Pebe Jnog by Shabo Kesia yes sir. Oh I didn't yes sir. I didn't yes sir. And Jomaria Stadium no Ebesin Stadium no Adani bro I'm off for the year you Buko Piamon Coca Yediabakwe Wechleya it's Lea Yadi Sadano only Pebe Shabo up to now she's here Phobia Sports Stadium no Say nyante so me wiene sa but uko piema so me yin wie kraye enti na temu kuchu e very park you better come on make my day Sonia very park Sonia na so kan shoninia and the interview Southward you be pim for no Elian ani bi mo didi come ma jetum so me you be come on Abasana na so mo start say emu say janeba o my imagine some person omo person make us but you will force them to talk live on Okoma Radio 97.1 team they are very solid pa o me are very solid yaba tutujegu sister how's today Gabby sister how's today Sister Osidane. Yaba, you're joining live for Facebook. On Okoma Radio 97.1. YouTube. Obanwa comment, like, subscribe, share. Sonia, tutujegu, Pemuka. Nyashobono, Banwa Sababeka. Merina writer, commentator, Beiru Solomon Fosu. Ara Kenya France. Papa, the fresh as well, France. DJ Zigibi, DJ Donzi, DJ Wata, and no budge marketing wado. And also the young producer, around 70 day. K Brown, budge marketing wado. But in Nano, a person yes, chemists, but in name even Yaman. K Brown budge and rock on Antico ye in the body may and a person up to now. Check up on con you. Groma. Tia no. I don't copy my Mr. Giri on your brutal papa. Nana Kofi or Korea Jaman. Mr. Mo, your brutal. Copy him when he was. Secret mad bar. Can you ever two Java to Jagu? As obey a young Mr. Mo, the killers in the Make my day. You know, my bias with me, come on. And I'll tell me, Esther, Belamunia Boakama. Don't forget, Senior so Abuakama. The general manager himself, Mr. Kweku Boateng. Mapania Bruta. Oh, yes, Sukudushio. Oh, yeah, Kekeleke. Ora sidabi the idea mutungu and the Katroni as a flight number 97.1 you too pa you too like you know me so me go jam la we do you don't have see in this is shock near very park papa show near very park and now you better to channel kum I just say I no be bia teddy this is netita mama teta okay super bridge my man test on from afar. You see a couple of shine on your case here. Audience now from now. We are for 9 p.m. Yeah, the local crab bar. Here we are near Bobby Remusa. And then I see Sonia very park. You have two dear money penny for no. I see about 2 dear money penny for no. Sister today. Yeah, fast Emma Vena Water, Samsung 1 Expert, Bell and also T74. Abrese the Omo Como Ebeba. Now near call and near bar. You enjoy the live for Facebook or Command Radio 97.1. I'm still live for Command Radio 97.1. Cachonia as a flight no enya France. Boys not nase mrante not France. Yeah, Bobby Tuja. Yes, weno tutu jeku pemuka. And yaba ababe pemuaka. Stacy tiaro yababe pemuaka. Ebrasem ekasimanu do na yebewia yebebie phone lines na diama. Na also de wadwen trade yaba na yehuni eko. And in your eba, young for 1 or 2 local stories and from fame and son of a Jaffa Thrase. Near go deep into the details of the stories. Now you hunia call and in your eba one more. Now only say over the weekend, the Ghana Premier League get to me to Ja ama fubu one more. Uko PMO Fiomania Konya and a paint sports no show no and they also who near call and in your bar. Only says so folk quad team and your team current time so that game no Omulusia by 1-0. Now Martin Kupma and come out credible say yes. Game no game are not warfare. Game no game are not airfare. Should be obey PMO, but this is like Yama and Uncle Yan from about all the same on go back to the drawing board. Now I'm aqua to Yama Yense come out cry. Coach no Eddie Jai.
You never know in football. The second half we came back from what you see in the first half. So then you said okay, for 1 point we signed for it. But if you see this, I think all over the game, it was okay for me. So let's go for the next game, and we must make steps forward. We must work very hard with this young team, but I have confidence. So nice for them, not nice for us.
And the Komakra head coach Adama House of Folk Martin Kupmodiaba, you're the Emmas in the tier 4 head coach Adama Ayabo Quantity out to you. Opinion I am messed up to and come out credible say yes. I'll shout to you, team now. Normally, young boys, bless out, don't be brave, few now, man, for answer that need to do, but other similar one would just say yes. It's a young boys, Rabano, you swore.
A young team, we have to be development oriented. We shouldn't be thinking of just high profile players or whatever. Try and see how you can bring somebody from the grassroots up to the topmost level. And that this team is going to make a mark in this.
And then Komakra head coach Erma Arti Wadiaba. Yeah, the Emmas in the team for Bronte Mohamed. I have to lie. One to me a man of the match. Or no, say, I said, don't qua. And on my trading Ponyakopon to Bunswa. Obosonia Sase.
As you said, like House of Code, they have experienced players already. Some of them have been in the league for several years. And me, like this is my first time. From the second division straight to the Premier. Like, I don't even believe like I would even make it, but alhamdulillah. Front features. But today I'm here with the MVP award. Like alhamdulillah, I don't even have words. Alhamdulillah.
And you don't come on, no. I saw no dear. I don't have my dress. Alhamdulillah. And when you come out, one of Swedia by, yeah, the Emmas in the tier 4. Now, no worker head coach. Adama, a Great Olympics, Omubo game against Tanobo Fako. Now, I don't come out, the players no, the Indian or Chomu Air, compete in the one more SOC.
These players, you know, you will teach them, and when they get there, they do a different thing. Understand? So I give the blame to my players.
And And when you come out, Okopima, the head coach, Edema, a great Olympics opinion, area no walk out your bar. Yeah, the Emmas in a tier 4. Krobia Kumasia, Samtura head coach, opinion, Ade, a year prosper at Togum, Omo game and dra, one more and a can do hot of Florence, Ereven Tam Soa, game no echo 0-0 no. Papa and Koma Kadabasayas, boys, Rubujuba, but a new place, if also no more jelly, at the sea, Kakra.
Satisfied because we have a blend of new and old players trying to get the game model going. So to me, what I saw today is good of individual players, but then we can do better. I mean, it's good, better, best. So what I saw was good. I'm okay with it. I don't have any doubt about this team that as the league progresses, we get better in offense.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
So.
And the Komaka, Prosper at Togum, Oriaba, Yari Emmas in the Tifona, or Faquina Veso, Era Corbia Kumasia Sandraco. One more support is Rabaso, yes, also Dobibiase, Obia very secretutious.
Use this opportunity to thank all the supporters who came today.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
From the blast of the whistle to the end. You sang, you clapped for the team, you supported us. Even in difficult moments of the game, you stood behind us. We are grateful for your support. This is amazing. This is beyond imagination. The number was huge. We'd like to thank you on behalf of the technical team, the IMC and the playing body. We'd like to thank you and say that we'll keep working hard to make sure that we'll get the results to make you happy. We are grateful and God bless you all for coming. Thank you. We want to see you in our subsequent games more than even what you did today. Thank you and God bless you.
And when you come back, Prosper not Okum, the other coach, Erma Krobia Kumasia Santraco, what about Abrante Tini routine? Yes, Abrante. And Rausch Kotoko game now, or one player, center back quarter, or gentleman, and any come besides the routine. Now, we be Piemo Krobia Kumasia Santraco, boys should performance, no, own is saying.
Actually, it was very difficult because if it were to be easy, I would have said that we should.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Maximum points. So actually, it was difficult, but it means that we have to wake up and then fight for the 3 points next game. Yeah.
And Abza, when it lights us Kakra, Obe Piemo Fia, Fia Basadabi, us a gunner for who near call and nearby. How many are still live? Okuma Radio 97.1. We know to Jeku, Pemuka Sports, and Umbrabia Yatranse from a year 7 to 9. Yababe Pemuaka, the Akoso, Ewe Chroma, yes, when a peer local, Tiapama me peer local, and Yathrasia, yet the Eba. And then you have a fire penifobimo, yes, and they have to be on the money peniforo. Essence a chromano, on him said, Daindia, so no young penifobi one more. Omoba Eba Shabo, Obuan Maba, Eba Shabo 1, 2, 3. Boss, and within 3 days, none refi say, Washabobi, as a seni say, and also obey. And in Nano, Yabobe hits it in penifono, and tell you to show Nitino Pemuka to Jagu, when o Pemuaka, you are just hating. Yes, we know you're hating. Now, you were a year, Bibia, just say yes. We are hating on them. And the enemy is still live. Okuma Radio 97.1. Katronia SF flight no 82. And the flight no 2 no. Yanina Bibia and there. Ya hajaki a yejima. Yes, yes, Bia Sudetia come to join live. Oh, Facebooker. Join live for Facebooker. About Facebooker. Or commenting while I can watch here. Tia Pama Facebook. Comment it, like it, not share. Now you huni yako, and in your eba. Tie, Kaishan saying Amia Toma. Ukwata, 20th September, Ewa Cross Sports Stadium. Rwanda. Okay, yes, Ghana, Black Queens Air Way to Rwanda. You know more area in terms of we know your Black Queens. 2024, a women's African qualification match, and your ball first round, first game. Now we know tie, the Ghana Association. Black Stars and Commerce started here today, but Obian him saying, I'm here quarter. Black Queens, elbow game against Rwanda. One more quite way, Obian him, Ewo Chroma. So it seems like, okay, the Ghana Football Association now. Oma Jane say, a Chroma football near you know, just Black Stars. Oma Miati has to say, Black Stars. Essence a Black Stars, so no many Sikaga Crefio, Eddie. Because Black Queens, nobody Black Queens for the year, Ominya film. Obian him say, Ukwata, Why in any say ukwada Black Queens elbow game? Obi anim. But Black Stars. And say, oh, anya Black Stars. And yadenya womo ebenyiska ediefim abedjafonya France. Yes, abedjafonya France. Oko piemum ewo eye Facebook mo sa manfo adjoin kitikiti pa. When jaso kitikiti. Jaso tutu chekurum opan waka. No pemu aka. Me say nyame atuma ukwata Black Queens elbow game. Amo kwa we. Black Stars and Carbon Summer starting tete. But essence say Black Queens no omunya hwimfie ontino. Womu solia omunka man football one say they be a because Ocean mana so to say a team from Van Chebe. Obu on man 9 months. Obebe jina field so 1 month. A month be an menses beba a team from Van Chebe. But Ocean Kromana, it seems like in Penfono how womo a football no. Oma say a Black Stars in kwa. Essence a Black Stars no and obenya be film. Black Queens from Kobo Boy, Obi to me can't say 1 month, Obi Menses and Bonfin na page so. But just because Autonomy mind no, Obejina air page and so, Elkuno diama ayan mind. Currently, Yaka ayen national teama, Yaka national teama, Wano currently, Ewo Chroma, Original Mena, and the Black Queens. The head coach, Nara Hopto, Ebano, look at how also say Black Queens team no, Black Stars. Yankasa Krisutin or Nyadi or Yejuma, but Yantra the publicity. I try the Ghana Football Association. One more Edema Black Air Stars. Yantra the publicity. One more Edema Martin no. Yantra publicity. How one more Ebeya and Martin no. A man copy more fine no copy more baby. No more coca speech I can see. That's what I say. And pen for air speech I can see. We know okay. We are just the year is message if Facebook back in the day and the journey live for Facebook we know just normal hit super tenase super na akwaba
writer anumre mamenjel so na inchi community for say anumre ya mo makwaba bim mfamba 97.1 way to Jagu Sports na minchi obibia na Zuba, Maminchia,
Okuma Radio, 97.
Winifred, and so no, a whole nursing training.
Okay.
Monitor shown from there.
Okay.
And then Winnie, and you may mean papa. Zuba, sir, Jeff in Samaokano, Krumano, open one of the most useless institutions are GFA one.
Asia.
Useless.
Okay.
They be Ametanaka just said the word useless nine yatim did.
Okay.
So I say
okay.
Institution yen shadan yom some for so be there.
Okay.
Ghana Football Association part.
Okay.
And you know for an association to sit. Now they be on attention or focus in football. And one Black Stars.
Black Stars, yes.
Black Stars. They need Black Stars and can deliver no another problem.
Okay.
Now Black Queens say bobo. Yimbisa yon say nipa in the say Black Queens say bobo. Black Stars be ball against Central African Republic. Kruma. See you here. 2 weeks before the game.
Yes.
We saw all the flyers out there. The hype. How much the training shadows in a brand Ibia Black Stars be training in your buy. But for this one, Black Queens, na M4 Omunya Sikabia M free ho ending, and they've decided not to even talk about it. And yen sem choro for Korea na ba betena ye ba beka na the end omumpo aba attack yes yen ye ejuma ya why be on ba beka. So for me, I've always said and I'll continue to say it again, say one of the most useless institutions Okrumano.
Okay.
GFA Airport.
Wow.
You best say Ketadun Simon Okeku. Say attention or them Black Stars. Attention to me Swan Kwatana Kumasi Babayara. Any F in the Prosper Harrison Ado, Mark Ado, Samson and Henry Asante Chumo, almost saw Mukogu Kumasi, Ekosha Black Stars game. We're expecting the same energy, the same attention. Some of them are Black Queens. That's what I say.
Yes.
Obisia no bizarre a Black Queens Bobo Krana, now she will be bizarre Black Queens Bobo. It's very difficult for the person to know say Black Queens bobo. And somebody now they go on a money be to me sabe eko we boso me pepe you expect some man me see I can from more my no. Yantiana a former Black Queens goalkeeper.
Yes.
And then somebody said edubiri not onyem twins.
Yes.
But be sick of Ghana who do sake of so better post ma on mine Ghana. Now if you know as at that time eto on the pressure coach at that time catch and say be dem ma Ghana ntino na ma enter for nyem no kura no oyomu guye.
Look at this.
And over that post mo Edema Black Stars. Sabi mani boom sakura so the general park and also with all these abdominal pains. And some of the bomb on mine no. And easy super.
Yes.
Menstrual pains oh. A man of a bit mutim edi a bo edi a more my Ghana. And now the attention, the necessary attention I see at the moment no momo near John was Black Queens playing against Rwanda.
Yes, Obianim.
Kwadaya.
20.
But Black Stars be do Ghana no.
Yes.
See we yeah the omo nam.
Yes.
Yeah the omo fa ha, yeah the omo fa, yeah the omo na ma was night say. Yeah the omo fa, yeah the omo kwa, yeah mom ye videos posting na obi an say Black Stars be bobo. Oh, bring back the love. Yanko Stadium go cheer the Black Stars have na Ghana and qualifying for AFCON. Black Queens don't qualify for AFCON enye.
Yeah.
Black Queens omo qualify for AFCON enya na. And Ghana forgot na e ekochi omo up e bom mumumi e support omo na e fin ko tena e ta omo chi the necessary attention omo the mama omo de enye ya na.
Super yeah.
Black Queens na enyo mine national team. And you feel so mine national team no kwa na the Black Stars of Ghana na. O mine national team no and the Black Stars of Ghana na e ma no unhia mo. E ma no unhia keto krako ni FA people mi bi so mo e ma no unhia mo na. Sabi ninu ya ba ana we bu ni so be expecting so go gina mu mbobo the abdominal pain so be fam ana ninu ya ba bi na awo awie oba busumi mienu na afre na national oba ka chen so nkobo ana ba ninyi na ekire no e ma we sacrifice o mo so mbobo am Ghana ye ja o sa Black Stars be nam group be bobo fono ball tan we kroma e wo Kumasi against Central African Republic you find it difficult to win then they are so scared ya kugo machi you be swaya ho gubas mumma Land Cruisers a bu petrol go near the court now can support you. But when it comes to women football in city any national teams you know the Black Maidens, the Black Princesses and now the Black Queens, we don't give them that necessary attention. And a hard we've seen former players of this national team they are going through a lot. All because they sacrifice themselves for the national team. But if you know, any of mine, you know, the Ministry for Youth and Sports, you know, and to me, more money, and so a year, and my one, a year. Where is the Minister for Youth and Sports? Black Stars today and going to hotel. Black Stars today, I go about and see a video. I can see and go support Black Stars. Minister Mustafa Yusuf. On the time I catch it, so watch out. I expect even the president. So by now, I hear for a year free. Or because the attention in our Black Stars. He's not even developing or helping us to develop our game. It must say F, you know. It shouldn't always be the Black Stars. Okay. It shouldn't always be the Black Stars. And I say Mema football. For attention and so on football, the Black Maidens, the Black Princesses, and also the Black Queens. Senebeya women's football and so be to me and so you can't say women's football and then so he has been supplying them with the necessary equipment in there. But all this idea come on them kind of motivation, you know, anywhere, the kind of attention I remember Black Stars and I remember football no anywhere. Super.
Yes.
I mean hard James. The FA Minister for Youth and Sports on say no mutum so mo Black Star camp no. Omo so omo sa and from Black Queens camp. No mo support you against Rwanda on the 20th of September. Wukwada enemy now so Black Queens and so no entumi enche enkonanim super.
Okay, anti super now ten can we no just 13 work keke. Just here if you pay ni na mo say nyame atuma Wukwada Emmanuel game. Is I say a chroma and mano and mano yen famu nyashe. Sabe say oye bibina so ban kawa and said I fine sir. Hima pella at your boss more fire. Now could feel courage my so the about Facebook or the more fire. Zikibi so the aba I say oh dear ban send message na be reply no. To also the aba I say Ohima Bella and the dodom yesa at your tour. DJ Weather GH writer flow. Oye bruta papa na so na kwabna onipa ose massive it yes Otega more fans watching live inside Marvelous Helba Home Ateso more fire Solobo Otega e bruta ebedi nkomo ewe Trenti Yanchoni live for Facebook Harmony your Command Radio 97.1 weno eye Tutujegu Sports weno ye pemwaka sene sietia no en ye pemwaka gidi kura Mami Chia, Obi Amonita show from afar. Join the live for Facebook, comment it, like it, now subscribe it. Young first Serrano and Fama, a bell ice. Say open air drinks outdoor, sort Tibia, say Ako Kakra, F film now pin 4. Athrasem say yes, a Kromano, and say Dr. Krasem. Oh, one more, Unipediano, also nya Ako Kakra, FM, Interna bell ice, phone penny for Athanasia. One more Eddie air flavor, which is say orange and lemon, and also pineapple diaba. One more you passe, you want to see a no, not see Ako Bremware system no more. And bet me aboa na ade ba ko eni kasem say bella is no nyama say ye you nya orange one now dey shefrid ma alla babaza dada buja kuli ba okopie ma obekas ako chroma ako no ye nye bebre sa 5.5 to 18% bella is one more na aso ya yedi to Jego Sports no e di eba ma papa e bia fine
all right me also we be akoyi na enyumre and I think say near wedi kan dey atudwa no talking about the Black Queens no
do be hit you kakra
ma me hwe kakra because e ma ball e wo kromu a say ye di agro bi sa no no na ma ye mu bi no edu ba bi ana ye kan say ade na be ye say ye ntumi nya and ye be ye ye njai what you say true because we a country na say wo say wo mabo FIFA eboa anasa o ma usika wo de be ye mabo na se ma no bepma ne niema wo so munya e de bobo no e ma Ghana e ko na animu no untumi enya sa niema no emfa ma na e de better say FIFA kra be je sika no because afi bia FIFA e ma isika ama Ghana ye ma football e wo say ye tu ani e de call and etimi du ba bi not sending a weekend, a money be 80 bombs across Sabe. Pada, I was so much to me at the swan of cry, being what? What I say? It will do, baby. Now, a may to cry the Akoba be Akobo Bokra. Sabe, impo a quentin wunium acry, muading at the man may. Any near can blast us as some Shanano Yane air Liberia can bought friendly match. Or ye share and who are ye? And in she if for the bear tuja, so we are some Johnny Cray was say, was just a winning man, you know, fee, a betcher some pa. We are some Johnny. Yes. But am I a bobo? Yamia to my edo quada. Ochinachi, uquada ya, am I a bobo? Beppman ne. If you knew for be a ma botin chess and may crack a bobo. I'm a jar head coach, you know. Nora, eba ye, Juma, what body am my Black Queens? Ye jano, any of my one on so, a beko you, same you. Ana omo ebe tu kwan e de omani a che sa kwantuo no but if you do obi anyo Black Stars anka ba now ye the winning bonus ne ehun niema nyina mpo abetu dwa se ye wini a ye gi sei but emai ye nti ye ni ehwe emai o hwe kwan aye nam kromu a eye ema ball a atin say writer mera ho yiye mera ho because o hwe efi ho no ma che say omo twam nyina the same thing mentiase me twen ho a mentiase
you can't say far
yes because as on mine ye mra che say ye bebo e ma ball
yes
and FIFA so agina so e boa ye e ma ball afi bia uko check FIFA sika omo de ba omo association omo dwane omo association no enye sikawa na say mai etu kwa akọ ball na say mpo omo passport ni ma che say niema akade wo so munya de tu kwa akra edu ba bi a na ho ye den na wo say ma no edu ba bi o mo fa fam kra de ko ba bi e wo so mo ye den o mo ko no inse so o be fa wiem akọ no na akwe obrani niema bebri so I think say writer emra so emra so ye ani say ye tena we mu kopem je say wiase awie o ti ase o say sesa niema mu e wo say sesa niema mu because e ma no so e kan ho ena ma no na agba omomoden e wo kromu a
yes
omo na agba omomoden emema yi ye so a enye ye o ti ase ye so Ghana sika nyina na ekosi wo Brazil yi so Ghana sika nyina akoye nso ankoso aba ama ekodi sika yi SM kakra mpanifo ni benyanti ene ye Black Stars ne de na ye tuo de akire o ti ase enti ye besere mpanifo we enya atem didie
dabi
Ghana football ne kan kontia ha ana tutu Jagu Sports aba enti sɛnea nneɛma akɔ no deɛ yɛbɛsrɛ mmaa no ɔmo nto ɔmo ani kakra ɛmfa nkyerɛ man nsɛntwerɛfo yaa ne yɛbɛbɔ ɛma yi anaasɛ yɛbɛka ɔmo matches ho nsɛm but edu baabi a na efio na asɔre atia nsɛntwerɛfoɔ sɛ na ɛyɛ meya sɛ ebinom nya post a nsɛm a ɛyɛ na ɔmo keka no ɔmo benya post pɛ na nneɛma asesa wote ase na no kra wɔ so ɔka na ɛboa ma Ghana football any association ne kɔ na anim no na nipa na agya because wa benya post ɛwɔ saa ɛfɛ hɔ nti yɛbɛsrɛ ɔmo ɛma no nso ɔmo kan ho ɔmo ɛna ate Ghana anim Blasters yɛngye trophy da fiete 2 yɛngye bibi ada wote ase ɛma yi na akɔ ɔmo anim ama Ghana yedin no ɛden ɛkɔ nti yɛbɛsrɛ ɔmo nto ɔmo ani ɛhwɛ ɛma ne kakra
okay eti papa the fresh and I'll say ɔno so de ne nkɔmɔ akra ɛde aba na ɛma no wohwɛ so far Black Queens ɔmo 2 matches ɔmo abɔ atie ɔmo de Guinea wɔn kɔ so ɔmo hɔ 3-0 wɔn de Guinea ɛwɔ Accra Sports Stadium wɔn kɔ so ɔmo 4-0 yɛhwɛ mmaa no record no yɛyi Black Queens ifio na Black Princesses ɔmo ne Niger ɔmo hyɛ ɔmo 11 wɔn ne Senegal ɔmo hyɛ Senegal 1 ɔmo kɔ so ɔmo 3-0 ɔmo ne Benin ɔmo kɔ hyɛ Benin ɛyɛ 3-0 so it really tells us mmaa no abusia edwuma mo bɔ no ano ɔde Syria ma akɔ aba
Raja
bibia fine
oh bibia kama
the radiase bibia fie
oh hoje uboko
the radiase we jaso
Raja
bomba na kakrama na yamra
Raja am say Ghana harama no ye kan nsem bebre am say ye mpanyemfo no wan say what to nu egu aso nti na aka bia ni wo bete because wo be kan no
enkwasi aga
wo fa ye hwe wan say wo bɔ mpanyemfo duku bi na wo bɔ no mo je mpanyemfo bokuju ku bo se wan sipo no wani mu ya service adi no sa duku di no wo ba ba say min fita sana service mpanyemfo kan wo ba say min fita nti na wo kan no ehia de wo fi because wo hwe Ghana Ekama say de bia ye kan wa say ya adwunu nyina ye brasta and so brasta hwi mfimu ma brasta hwi mfimu ma for almost 40 something years ni brasta nye hwi da but ya pompi sikegu wa pompi ehwo na ye nkoko season wo ehwo na ye nya sika finti no be bia na ye wo ho and ye kobobo no kura wo service tumu kura ye bekọ ho ni ye be champion fu na akwa goguo aditi na wo say ba sa because right as ye hwe ni ye kwaso ya Ghana Black Queens one team a wetin carry Ghana first to the World Cup na mane na ba bi kura
yes
me na de Ghana ko World Cup first
okay
na me man na bi ye ko African Cup in 10 years ago na ye ka the we are me ebobo wa Africa Ghana me Nigeria na wo
was yes
first and second
yes
bisa say ekoye den e say atonsuom ya kan wa asem saa wo mu ya na nka tema ye saa tam no ana ke yeso mu a na nka na ye wa akiri na nka now nka by this time na nka say best women in Africa na nka Ghana kan ho ba se kwesi den ya tuna jeje mu saa because bibia mfi wo ma mfaso bia mfi wo ma so wo nko ho hwe ye ko Blasters be bobola hwe sponsors Blasters nya hwe sponsor dudu wa Blasters nya ba ni nyina achi no kura nso sa sponsor ye nyina ye besa kwa kuje ska government wasen aka ho yen tax money na waje na wadi hwe Brazil na waje na wadi sa ye ba kuje ska ye ba yen akonta bia na ya se sika no but ye du mia no hia na ye se hwemfa ye ho ene de ye du mia no hia we a wona wo hwe mia na wo ye team manager na wona wo ja bibia hye okon ne ye be ye be kwaso bia na mfa wo ho hwe mfa wo ho se wo ba kwasena enye wo hwe den na ka ye fe se emia timi bobo se na ka wo mia ma wo hia mia den ya na wo hia kakra bia no ma bia wani so wo be kwa aba wo uni bonus kra wo luntua
okay
but wo jesika no so minister yes minister
okay
because sadjuma nyina no yes adwuma yi ono odi sa nyama nyina anim also make sure say obehwe mia ni because ye hwe mia ni ya ngebe nyi wasan ka eji wake up kura bia na anye wake up ka bia yakọ semi final because wo hwe na ball na Ghana mia rahine ma tunum ne bobo na egosi hwe because ye won anya support en fi bia eye mane ya na ko bobola na nka bade san president of Ghana Football Association nko nam Saudi Arabia nam Dubai hwehwe players ni wan bobo blaster mo kura by force oba ko ma me nchen akokọ me won se ma me akotua sika wo ho na wa ba bobo wow but they do me ya no so ya hwemfa wo na what is at no man yima uju se be yi enye because we are say uma yengu say what is you ade huna de ba ni esa because dey ntina ye na ye jatu se be ye me football na ye jatu ni ato me football na enia me wo se me ansa kan ye fa ma wo ye bo African Cup ye le bo qualifies ukude ya what is obi kan wazem dabi what is obi kan wazem mpa every what is wo kan wazem dabi but Brasta twede da wo ye o Brasta ho nipa miro one station to station nipa miro supporters miro edu mi answer what bi obeka se hwehwe na meka se nwa bo duku umfita duku enti amu ye nyina ye yemfa ye nwa mo ngobo na mo so remese nkope be bentina eno so kan wintina Brasta no so enkoso no because one wodi won asini na adi yawo okay apart from Brasta na brand in the West run one waka wasini nyina di yawo enti saa mo fa di yawo ni nyina ebekwa ati yawo won fa ne amount to kwanso okay sika wo ho sika e wo ho okay sika e wo omanyim sika wo GFA wonya yencheni na do so dodo all right yencheni ne do so dodo ana we na ye menua ana we na ye menua kan kam me ni problem so be ye adwuma ne kura de anka me ni problem okay enti yesere won ka che won si won ye adwuma ne mayen adwuma na won ya yen wo be ye adwuma ne wadi sika na enfa ye ho okay but wu ya won ye adwuma no ba sika ne de wo bedi eno so na enye no ko se di jawe ani muna nanam enti se wo be men na me ko mademia na me ko mbedemia me ko bobo na sebe pad kekaye beto ama won ko yintimento pado yintimento ma me yi ne ye nam ne ye che boot ne ye na infaso be na wo so because the mother station na mother football teams na ewo wasen untimi hwe won to ati ase untimi ge den enhwe won na be ha ka mo se wa wo wonchen okay mobo Ghana
all right
it in painful setup
okay all right so senior and out in Kano we know mba ho asem de bia meka kroma no ye bibina semba kanwa the Indians no enshadan koyi DJOJ monitor show from afar boys ne BM monitor show no etio gridi tie back last week yeah story be them out about William Eso ama ye ne nebusuafo didi nkomo enkomo bi aboboy ba Eso kopie ma seems like the Ghana Football Association form 24 ediske bi akoma ya brand nebusuafo tie report aboboy ba no ewie me ne yere di nkomo ne a confirm ya man say the Ghana Football Association eba ho ediska by na me bisa me say enti if say issue ya mba bonte ama manfo anye ya enka the Ghana Football Association and say penfo mo kroma no omo say these days no ye players out do omo nyamboa ana so omo pese obi yare ansa ye try say ye benya na yere ne ni din komo Elion me ni din komo ansa na show ni be start also be bi o network no kekele kedi kikiskoki but on one kasa confirm the man say yes and the Ghana Football Association edis kadiaba but one kasa one city and I say two city me pese me confirm FFI no say ahe sky he and the Ghana Football Association ediaba sorry to say yan kan say nsi unipa de ACA me ne sempen for ebetam sika buduo akwa bonsa wa kwase but tamani unipa saki yari tama saki o yare no saki yare no yemi say penny ben and this car echo saki but ude pedi buy pe o ma start this car kokoko where dia ba say watching live from Accra yeah please stop mixing equiapim and equiapim tree with Asante tree nice program la say see I know the we tree no say the we tree no equiapim tree no mix you very careful one more also Elijah my man nyameba watching live from Kintamponam. Bro, you brutal pa. And the album store Kuma Radio 97.1. Wenu Tutu Jegu Sports. Pemuka Tutu Jegu Sports. Pemuka and Tuba no share. Oba no share. And the producer say you bet me a confirm it das kana. Danwata yebeka enko enko network no ye yasa oze okay nti ye yasa okay nti ebe ye yasa senior unipa betodwa ese okopie ma isi ampenefo aye yasa isi abetodwa se the kind of association ediska kwa ye yisa ere akoma bra na misa se saki data mo yale no nyamboa aye yasa
right am say sene adwuma we ya na wasi ye de mampanyefo no e wasi ye keep on their toes because se nka ya metra ha anka ana se saki ya nkofimu a enti nanka sai ska nkotua na enye ne wo bo no ena enye ndra ne wo bo no last year Nwakwa Africa na nwakwa we na ba o enye ndre ya na si o ade na sidi da wuti da na sika na wo we I think I confirm because me better me show because me bia na yes sika
okay whether producer Freno am a confirm scanner dia mai
but
I say on your interview and I'm about also your interview
Matthias my buy say na me can say e was think you say sika what the buy ni e sika what the can what the aba na say yale what blaze can what the asana
and the kind of association scam dia ma no as busuafo nhwe na often treating a yari and yes
it mean na any scan na
wadi dabi enye score de ne kra dabi enye score de no enye score de ne kra
ade wan kwa ho ye de omuntu aka no
kan de omuntu ai we na from the kind of association
enti abrante na anyare
a
we na chese sika bia ahia no sa no bache yes wanyare na chese sika bia ahia abrante no
o senti ohia sika
sanity
she me sana mele fani out china na se na see fani out ozi eba be ko media man edum sense ya ko ozi wo promise enko ye
ebeko and am kan so ebeko
enko ye
ebeko
league na so no gusu bon Africa na no gusu bon obi o promise bi ani wa akọ but ye gusu bo Africa when you very careful
you see as a media man ye yi o mu free mu a
Seska na be shi.
When you very careful. When you very careful. Yempe promise bi ya okrumu ya wenye.
Crewman yo. I'm still live. Okuma Radio 97.1. Super. Asambe Thanase. Yeba be share Eastern Region Stadium Saudi Okruma say. It seems like Osha Accra yo stadium. Oko other regions Saudi yo stadium Saudi. Club South Dono Ejipini Yakai, but Eastern Region Poteno, then ama so far, and Yaman to me and Koswa, into stadiums. Downward that minister, Kojina Yid Betuja, S.O. and Coco Sports Stadium, and Coco Sports Stadium. Ye, cat sword. A Shaku Pium Coco Sports Stadium, Obina de ye a full warmer, with Dria Bro, Edria Bansen. Manyan Jesse was starting Dria more hormone. My first rano enfama T74. Wamo ena asuya se ukopima the immune food. Yes, the immune food. Debi ame culture say one ma obedrin say oh debio didi onyare. Me so the India to one wako check up. Producer Gina say one wako check up he come on. Oh wako check up come up. What are you first answer? What are you the even you first answer? Wako check up come up na T74 saya rebi to say kidney disease also na liver disease okopiem say wakoma no one now to say wakoma no ye chale niyan yario tunya T74 edroni binoma no betimi aboa na ma bia so etimi akonkan gonorrhea also na HIV COVID-19 fibroid okopiem ewo high blood pressure high blood sugar niyan na T74 no bia no betimi aboa na ma bia so etimi akama Friend 24 0246 073498 0246 073498 and I say 05016289131 ubenye bi na eno sueti yaboa na ma ebiaso no etumi aye kama ya join live for Facebook Jimaro Champo DJ OJ on so monitor so from afar or the abeto say good job and the abeto say ya and command so and shadan ye fedia grow super my men shall see a free war Eastern region a chroma say seems like day in the out and pin 4 eco parliamenta one more shabo obeka so stadium where you but super obekom no na it seems like in pin 4 so to say I am true and a woman a try and Coco Sports Stadium sports minister Edbert just say 2020 would be two just say oh almost start a year shortcut in a match adebetia almost started juma gidigidi ese akopiem on Coco Sports Stadium super adani efuo kofodia nyantie se womo ehwiehwia ne sa o hwe pictures outdo enche oni pad beto so na bo se kofodia Sports Stadium no ye hwehwie yemfa kofodia ne fanto nchai ni anhwe eye stadium outdo a ewo Eastern region Dynama Ekroma no it seems like yen to be a better sports stadium ama ye teams outdo no mo kroma no enfensi akan so ba me 15 minutes yanko enim
yeah some Zuba, but my main quick one on the Emmanuel Eso case. Sika Koeno was from the Ghana Football Association Foundation.
Yes. Foundation, okay.
Foundation, a different set. Yadeneka na F in Kwakutia.
Yes.
A supporter the foundation
of the Ghana Football Association.
Mano.
Okay.
It's still now you are saying say F so Edeneka.
Okay.
And see and also and you clarify
okay.
Na you and so no difference about the Ghana Football Foundation and the Ghana Football Association so no intem. Super young the various sports area and Eastern region ye di won komo. Super maybe say me bisa the Ministry for Youth and Sports.
Koenim.
Abayano as a Eastern region enka Ghana wana. That's the question maybe say bisa. Eastern region the poemantemu enka Ghana wana. Oba Ghana ha one of the and I say ope top facilities in terms of football. Ye channel ni nyina e de konkran ene Kumasi. Enkran ene Kumasi anything yawo the Accra Sports Stadium, your Bukom Boxing Arena ewo enkran. Ye Legondie ewo ho. Yes so AC foforo boteman. Uko Kumasi Baba Sports Stadium. And so any the only sports stadium ewo Ghana e betima about CAF sanctioned matches. Birmingham at the Black Stars. I know ewo ho. Now Zuba Abra this government eba abemu the MPP government led by His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo or appointee minister, the first sports minister in his government was Yewura Isaac Esiama. Ono appointed and say sports minister
just
in the year 2017. Minister be there 4 years. Or started say obebuild the sports infrastructure our various regions. Or say also basically one sports stadium the 10 regions. The 10 regions which are Eastern region parts. And so CDR they say biba epuemantemo.
Yes.
Or start here you the sword cutting any idea. And Obe Pimo Eastern Regional, baby are the sports minister Isaac Kwame Esiama and the government. I know a decided so see the sports stadium no and so no nkoko. A hono munya ya omoye say omubesi. Aside the Koforia, because Koforia didn't start in the previous government.
Okay.
And I will to us. But the promise our government in make under His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and also the then sports minister Isaac Esiama say almost a brand new ultra-modern sports facility Nkoko, which is the Nkoko Sports Stadium.
Okay.
Yako Kate sword. I was part of the team. Yako a media team. And I was there. On Kate sword for the Nkoko Sports Stadium. Super. You travel from 2017 and then on the 18th of September 2023. Bisa won say etie for Nkoko for se me boa mutuma send videos at the Abasa Nkoko Sports Stadium ye wie. As it stands now, Nkoko Sports Stadium say na kan no whether fato so ye de aye obi akwaje Nkoko Sports Stadium no wakwaje say planting for food and jobs no no be planting for food and jobs no ma panika so be no ono na akwaje Nkoko Sports Stadium no so o be ye efu intene no odua buru odua banche ana enantwe nso na mu a almost AD from at the court.
Yes.
A stadium a ya boka. See yeah. You can find machines ABC so a jury so. May I remember all this? A jury so. I say Ghana for boss and copy 2019 a year dear.
Okay.
You be see the Nkoko Sports Stadium a year. And then 2023, after 4 years, maybe sir, the then sports minister said, and Krata no job, the current sports minister. And in Krato Jana, a woman said in Nkoko Sports Stadium, no, ye be ye. Na woman see a be ya, period, and that's saying contractor paying any other contract, you know, at the amano. Why na ye? Yan so yamra bonting and macanchere Nkoko for a premantemu for say, and yen ye can. Send the vice president ko jina Cape Coast Castle one Castle besi habo Cape Coast no. Omra mekanche say one Castle besi Cape obesi a stadium e won Nkoko. Entanya de omo beye na yehu more than some beja to am obi afa ne say the bonafide property. No dey ayefu. Yan cars ye pay fu on Nkoko Sports Stadium here. A sports stadium. A sports stadium. And farmland. His Excellency, Nanado Danko Kufado. Meaning say pressure no doors one na sum economy no yeah. But what appointing minister, a sector minister, so on youth and sports. Building one sports facility or all the regions was part of your manifesto. If you want to achieve as a president, if you want to be recognized by the people of Nkoko, Edia, Mr. the sports minister, Mustafa Yusuf. Afe MP man Nkoko, a producer MP man Nkoko MP Penidi Mame. Nipa na ti wana to abadama ono. Nyama we bi counting on to abadama. So odi mpuntu obeba constituency nim. Odi mpuntu obeba ebeba constituency nim. And it's a nipa to abama MP. Now, as it stands now, facility I share which is the Nkoko Sports Stadium no. But people net 2023 afi adani efuo.
Yes.
Eka ya po ho. Abosi ya kwaje se ba be ye. But take anara. Skase mu ya. Se ba be ye. Na enei ya janesa na da ho. Zuba. I am sad. I am me ra ho. Say Eastern region. Me catch them PP government no. Baby, I'm vote because you finish Ashanti region and Eastern regional.
Yes.
So if they will fill the people of Eastern regional, that's all man. Nkoko Sports Stadium. I'm going to do one Nkoko to about the MPP. Then the Eastern region, yet baby mobile. I remember Ghana Premier League launch producer Niebisano. The Eastern regional minister says Kwame Achampong. Was that he told the FA, the Ghana Football Association president, he said, Eastern region, yenya baby mobile. And then yakofa sika edi abasi babe facility on Nkoko and yeja awana pro. Super. Yeka Eastern region, I mean fin Nkoko.
Okay.
Cape Coast the end koso.
Super, my entie Nkoko. Sports minister nkomo odi eja ya bro ko shortcut no obi obeka so ya bo etim ne ke baye pesi etie ne odi eja ya
sports stadium wa mo she do ya sebi ena for the last year the last year we be seen no kama na aye ka be she na the for power say the pastor stadium e won fin a for power na yeah, a better Nkoko Sports Stadium. Should be another time. Say, no way, yeah. Never blast off for one number of countries. If you say, Bahanuma, Nkoko, the Italian, a Pumbia, I want to say, be a Hanum. And you know, Mr. Bahabian, not let the inspection. Now, I don't know, I when you get to power, take the tournament. Nkoko Sports Stadium here. In less than 5,000 people capacity. I don't have 10,000.
Super out here, and we became more which no.
We the then sports minister Isaac Kwame Asiama. He promised them say Obeba Biemono na Nkoko Sports Stadium near we. Maybe some minister say once the last time we come Nkoko. And they were here kwan ohun kwan kokko kwan ohun.
So but in the year 2022 July and sports minister Mustafa Yusuf
Of course, because already now sort Carton Akoso.
Yes.
I'm on about as a new minister and so rounds.
Yes.
So inspecting.
Yes.
2022 bepimene.
Yes.
Onko ko bi yes. Sa no beso ka kire no. And now onko ye no ya ko no so no yakon say aye fuo na da ho. Etu obekọ biem no obekọ as an Greek minister no akotwa aburo no e de bank na na azeden. Juba ma me feel
okay.
Yemra other facilities in the Eastern region. Okay. In 2020, we PMO a Cropon constituency.
Okay.
And in the constituency, no, ope baby ya bobo a man for it me the gloomy talent, a man for make your name, our Cropon, which is the Admin Park. And then the Hearts of Folk, the Asante Kodoko, the Dreams FC, the Black Stars. Training here. It was built by Yera Ohenijan. Sanga Black Stars, looking at our where they work with Pimano, Black Stars Emra no mumbe training war. That was the reason why the Academy Park work upon a buy. Now in 2020,
okay,
the current MP, I know also Nyinabim, Nijuman Sweni. Into nyina bi mu Ekropon constituency no.
Okay.
Estarte say obeso build the Academy Park. Which was a fantastic idea because inya hiam puntu. And before some people abeka so build the Academy Park no, there were some key people almost decided say they will develop Academy Park because now COVID into park na da for a year and a half nya no 20 na fu say. So there are some key people in the Ekropon decided say they will develop Academy Park. I'm Koko Grady Park and also started touches to be near there and come on the Bible tournament. But MP Momu Tias say Edana Kuma so as an MP. When we say talent on the constituency, which is the Ekropon constituency, and I say Kwapem North. And you know, obe develop the Academy Park. I'm an modern sports facility and I'm the people of Ekropon. And the MP stop the gamer and as a tournament non comebo honorable Nana Amadou Kiesia Meji.
Okay.
Honorable Nasa I'm making.
Okay.
Now from 2020 it was somewhere November 6th. Now Friday.
Okay.
And MP Kai. From November 6th. Suba na ben.
And then 18th.
Bepimene MP Nana Amadou Kiesia Meji and fulfill that promise. Or shall I saw the 6 weeks in the Academy Park. So 6 weeks from November 6th, 2020. ABC somewhere ending of December.
Which means 1 month, 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Or the park.
No, not the year Academy Park.
Okay.
Some of us so say it wasn't reasonable. Sabinyanza be and himself because only 6 weeks a park because Niame involving building or construction a park, you know, untumi for 6 weeks and yet. But on castle by Nyanza as an MP. We didn't see any contractor on the field, and I said, I'm projecting Senate. After a year or two,
okay,
and you know, Yentimen develop Academy Park, you work upon. Obian to Mr. MP, MP, una can and Amado here, una cast obey Academy Park. I didn't see 1 year. No leader, including our chiefs, our pastors, just say, even we the people of Ekropon, Yentimen Misano, and MP Jawatu, and Oko. Now, you will have another person by. So, MP and to develop Academy Park. Maybe develop Academy Park, which is the boss for Director General at my NLA. You are Samuel.
Okay.
Obian company chose on me. On one of tenants who so be develop Academy Park. Now, super go PM Academy Park. Academy Park a natural grass and AstroTurf. Here are Samuel Guamayati assist to Ben AstroTurf.
Okay.
Some of us, Yaka said he has an AstroTurf pitches and more young football no. And more Zankabe and natural grass no and come. Now, you say when Grady Eddie Abua Babi Guso any other. Here are Samuel Kubatina Haya baby amity with an interview told us say Pim November this year they will finish the Academy Park. So but I don't know if MCR the pictures and the videos of the Academy Park and go between the so. Now, Oko Academy Park they all say ya fencing e dey abu abegu na eja park no. And nwura efu for abonim. Somebody a person who a leader our constituency nim. Men can say because of political scores a person score into na person here. But honorable Samuel Ukwana Yeri Samuel if say because of political points and now pe into na car so be Academy Park then you are getting it wrong. Because ye near that all. Ekropon ye near that all. Ofio sanka aba ma era and I say yes sister honorable Nana Maduki are challenging to ba be Academy Park that dey nya points. Now honorable Nana Maduki are so nkobi oko. So why refuse to say obey Academy Park where jaw to I am telling you Samuel Oku say uphill as he promised Academy Park so deliver. Another project I am say sports facility. See, the reason why I'm able boss Anyama we sunya say Eastern region ya kechi. Suba. Yak Eastern region in terms of sports facilities, yak kechi. Point to me one sports facility. What do you say you're Tramodern? Our Eastern region. Yak kechi. That's the reason why I feel so we need to talk about this. We deserve better. I've said say Ashanti region and Eastern region and to aba party my MPP. Ube piemo Eastern region Ekropon constituency yet to aba party my MPP. So MPP anya hwe kura no anka won develop bibi awa hana wonko. Zuba, Minfia Cropon, Menko Kwamoso. Okay. Lower Hill. On the Cropon, because your upper hill and lower hill. Lower Hill. Uko Piemo Kwamoso. In the year 2020, after elections, young boss or you have a pass. Okay. Decided say, which the talent we Cropon, and I could him not. And I'm Brombo no organize from Akro fans. Now the motive behind the Brown is what about pick talent. No what groom you to make sure Sampa you be good players from a crap. Not then people who go into the Ghana Premier League and also travel abroad into organize a Brown. After the Brown, the reason is you be put it team together. And if I was a reminder, I will say I was secure land. Oh, Kwamo so babe sports complex. So it includes football pitch. Volleyball courts, basketball courts, an academy, a house. Just say, my friend will hold on bit my then atena no one that. I just say they will bring in teachers, no but a day coaches to develop their talents. Now, after say, sorry, I secure that land. We had say anyumfubia ba say sabi asase no ontumi mfanye. But you business asase no to fi hina. He bought it genuinely, paid for it. Yes. And on to me to us as we Ghana it was a paying and that's on him being signed. Ingrata ho. What to Ohina sign was a paying sign. He has paid for it and an Isaka as yes. You know him more sorry say honey ha hina nenga obabe zobabe sports facility. The reason why you say you said you have to even develop your town. You know why? You say what friend tama dia toto nsa acha yenama and I just say you are leading the people. Develop the community. Yes. It's an kohene account kwa am for instance say chema wo this agenda 111 hospital and kohene kwa zo me de kwa so asase ache. Mo fan sports complex na mo fan develop your cropon. Yes. Na fi mo fan groom talent. Ohene mu asori ti as ompene. And the youth of Kwamoso. Yes. No, I'm disappointed in them, Zuba. Why? And Jabba will join and said they will rise against on the parkour. Also, on Prema, I sports complex, Abacoso, Kwamoso will rise against that person. As it stands now, what has the people of Kwamoso done? I dare them said to go to the chief and tell him, say, oh, yes, I'll send him no one find yet. I hear the sports complex are initial workers. I dare the people of Kwamoso. They should go and tell the chief, say, oh, you know, Yanni, crow. Yeah, but so just as seen the sports complex. I know our voice in Libya. Oh yes. I hear the youth and I just want the people to listen to the people of Kwamoso. Once time I work concerning the sports complex. Kwamoso.
Your friend Thomas Tingi. Namini can say Nyankupo you can shiramu. Oh Nyamaye. No kwasem ye Tise Stadium. Ere Bahamebu wa ye DJ papa. Ye DJ. nti mre ko ba ne se ko te se mpanyini bi asori atia no no kwasem mmebu an aye sori pa ye se da bi we de ye nhwe ma ne nsen ye ho anye dai enko nti papa ne yesre ne se ba bi a obepema ma kwa kodu no mma ma ebu ne so ya asonte ya ready se ye be sori agina ma stadium we de etumi abakwa moso ye da mo ase
Suba, no.
Suba, papa na otini nyina nye papa bia se ya yem papa sorry. Obi o woku apmanda na akomaso. O we crop manda na akomaso. So opeso develop a sports complex, o si sports stadium. E o kwa amoso. Na ye nuanu mo oluwa he sapa sinyane baby bobo. Na ohene moa empanyimfu bi asori atia se yem pene. Na wo za onye no mpene no a wa mpene be pemene no. Then when you film from 2021 2022 and as it stands now 2023 our Brahma Stadium senior stadium na nkoso no then when you film otanhunu awon yawo ani niama ensem fatankwa na ewo kwap memu meanwhile okwap man needs to develop okwap man Ghana man Eastern region needs to develop because Makacho say Eastern region deserves better. Suba Bereninsi Mejama Papa Fresh and senior Mosaka Accra.
Okay, Auntie AK and I'll tell you so. Eden Koma Accra, Eddie Go, Eddie Amai. How many are still live? Okuma Radio 97.1. Tutu Jegu Sports. Tutu Jegu, and Yathrase. Come on, ye Tutu Jenegu. We know Obanwa Charadrim. Ye knew be a temye. Ayadrin Che. What's ya say? Ayadrin Che. Ye knew be any cup dabi. Ye need you be a temye. Ye hits it on the point. Nieto Niano, yes, according to, not according from. Papa!
Right,
ya queen.
I think sir. Osha Eastern region Arma. I say na near mine kwe Edema a clubs and come qualify for Premier League. And Osha Mribi a Chema. Na your traditional clubs ewo kromu ha. And as Eastern region Arma. You can't Ghana Premier League. Where both teams beat so Kwa United no mudin. Must be no buy. Power FC no buy.
Okay.
Ni nyina na teams a. Obo mudin ewo Eastern region hanoma. Anka ye bo Ghana Premier League. These teams no.
Yes.
Yenko enyom. Oti ase. Yes. And fisa time na bepmu ene. Ya prayer say Eastern region enye kroketwa eson pa. Eastern region eson. Because we regions na Ghana hanum nyina regions na. Anhwa Eastern region beto so be miensa na enan. Ni eson. Enti amra so say yenya stadium. Stadium a ye bobo te sane ye ne ye bobo e Babara Sports Stadium a yetimi bo Champions League matches ho. Black Stars ebo qualifies ho. Atimi hostu kan 2008 Eastern region enie enkranie. It is a stadium ewo yen ha kra. Eyade ba ko ebetimi dia hostu tournament bebree. Oti ase. Enti Emran so say Eastern region yenya stadium and Maminchia honorable
Tuja
Kwame Asiama honorable 2020 ana akojina eye nkokọ ekwe interview na ye bra panyi Kofi Asare bra ko abate
okay
and eso microphone mu ona na MC e wo dwumadi na ase ana ono de tu dwa se ye wie nkokọ stadium beye time kitwa bi ye be wie na abe stadium apa nipa 10,000 and nkokọ stadium ebe den ebe fa and me no ka say stadium no adane sabi esre and obi nso anya kwan ede adu aburu esa say yura da wa e wo se ye do na ye dua na ye betimi ayi wo so
yes
enti honorable uni wo biem but amamu de ento aso niema wahyehyɛ ede ato won eno a no so by Musafa enso by na so eden oto aso honorable campaign keke ena mo de be ya na ya sembisa okay esansani o 2020 mu sa time na so ne ye den ye to aba eti ye born no mo de ne ye born no eye politics na mo say ye born no wo kromu a NSA National Sports Authority yes kromu anyina pitches echamonsa say stadium say sports centers ni nyina mo na echamonsa ni ayeye na du kromu yi ye wie kura ebekọ NSA ensam region and a whole eastern region 10,000 seater capacity na se bepum enne even uko Koforidu Accra yentimi wie ye fitam aye start Koforidu ade yi yentimi wie just 10,000 o yentimi wie and maka sa AstroTurf ni na asefo no FIFA kra enyusu emfa nyehwe oti ase AstroTurf esu ni mfaso bia wo FIFA emram yemfa more competition papa bia o FIFA
but eno na isi an yesi okroma
eno kra na eche se yente ball na ase oti ase kromu a esika se keke na yese na yente ball na ase because association na wo dom no ese ono sa AstroTurf na artificial esre no ono oyusu da esre no emfa anye bibia oti ase enti se sa de no oyusu emfa mbo competition bia esi den ana sika kakra wanya wo de be natural grass edi amaya no sa sika no wo se no ewo artificial turf so oti ase enti it seems say ase niema na ayeye no yenti ase enyama emu so a yesi o yenso ye football nation yenso ye football nation ene ye da so ati kromu a football nation na yentimi nyi trophy yentimi build good ye can say yentimi build good pitches as a football nation wo de kire me ene Ghana yentimi share team bi ti say Comoros ne Mauritius ne Madagascar ne mu nyina investment papa mo invest our mo facilities mu
yes
enu ti yentimi show mo yes ube share team bi ti say na no ne ayeni ombo ya ye twa fire boy
Liberia
untumi no oti ase because onu na ni abre say sika kakra FIFA de man na asa aban no de man no o de ye ne ese na efata but kromu ade yesi artificial turf e de afa country ni mu nyina na ne am ya no kra say pitches na enketwa and do the standard there was a ye use the ball ye can say Premier League match and asempo ye de ye kobo Africa anampo team bi kra ebeje e de ya husesi a and do that you know and it seems say as a ye pray ye hu bisa as a ya can say ebe yenti na che say chenchene a ade ne nye papa kra wo say den ye ne sa ne ye sore so abro ne di o my Ghana abro ne di no aban ba sa obi aba say ya ne atimu a bepom ende okọ kan ye say o mpe asem ne edu asi otankruwam o ti ase nti writer yes rempanifo akropon de yi aye kan won asemi writer me kai pa ambi ana me wo babi foforo no o ti ase ya be ye commentary e wo sa park ne so enti dide ayeke e ma me hu se sa pitch no nyayaye park ne so no me re writer esa se park a na ye bo so ball ye bo division 2 matches e wo da park ne so because grass ne e natural. There's nothing like artificial bia e wo pitch ne so natural grass and ani nyina eden a green what you say enti so also usiesie ade ana ye yusu dada esi de na ene bepum ene ade ne da so da wa esu afu enti panyifo no omo pese ye tena mu se ya Ghana na enye yie Ghana enye yie ye ball no ye se no ani ebe yanke engu bibie ebe yanke engu no
ne ense okay egu no
ye ni bibia ne engu se ye ni bibia okromu ha
yes
because ebe ne enya ni ye dia ene ye engu no yetimi entam sika kase say ye the body ade a nchirima benya so mfaso na ya ade ni biara keke eno china na ade na ye say na che say so amanfaso bia amfa ma ayi nchirima ena da bia ya ka no say yesi yesua abrofo no ne omo ya o say yesu mu bibia pepepe because ene Ghana yeni country bi wo Africa kra kobo game a den say betimi aden awuni match no agisi ye betwa fire bossa oti ase ma Ghana yentimi nje Cup of Nations ni bi no because countries na any omobo no say corruption na wo ho say ni ho omu make sure say investment on beye e pitches and I say teams ni mu no on beye correctly but kromu ade ya tutu bibia jejam ena ekodu politics a edu time ye politics a 2024 bebe yi bosh akesie biem ena penfo be san hye ewo kromu a ni omuntumi ye kromu so mbetimi aye enti yesere penfo sa pitches no omo ye dia man eye ye ni so no kre baako sa pitches no FIFA say ohia sa pitches no oti ase
yes
ohia yemfa nya hwe that artificial yi no yemfa nya hwe because onu a washisha ne mra o se me ball no me bo ewo grass ankasa so nyankopo de ni bi natural one enye ni asabe rubber bi abroni aye oti ase enti so so we bo ma sports ana emabunu ni emayo enim bobo ebenya ba bi asiaka e wo se wo ye ne ese fata edemom Eastern region yakam na che e wo se ba now Eastern region ye ni kra be 20,000 seater capacity stadium there na nke wo Eastern region ha because you produce a lot of players e wo Eastern region ha a lot of players and our clubs no so you produce bi e dey ba Ghana Premier League num eti writer
okay
ye best rempanyfo
okay
baby edu no enye say ye ko ye kan say politics timer ye ko to aba na abegina wo apapa mu adwan ano de a kire nkrofo enko na baby edu no yehia say be take action yet me dia border
on Facebook and I'm for the current state of Ademi Park then you reduce the shape the size now you build the AstroTurf on a natural grass.
Ademi Park and on that
one of the most useless decision ever you take you on developing Ademi Park. Whoever is doing that, a useless decision.
Wow.
Sabi nyansa bi anim. A natural grass. Yes, that's how they are building the AstroTurf. And when you also buy AstroTurf on Ademi Park, me say one of the most useless decisioner and paying for ATK in developing Ademi Park. And when you also buy an AstroTurf, Zinia, a picture, your ball volleyball when developed, you been your volleyball courts.
Wow.
Tartan tracks about 8 lanes. You bet me triple jump, high jump, niya. Why did you see the size to an AstroTurf size? Who can AstroTurf aji there? Natural grass.
Wow.
AstroTurf for super. And you just to work
fence so I found.
How many? Okay, so thousand tracks are.
On book rabbit me a ball. Ever say basketball.
Super. Oh dear, sir. Almost as let's say, or maybe down you be a contract or some may a account. Until the fence and they say pitch and the fence and you know lenses I never call.
Wow.
Now you papa it doesn't make sense.
Papa, you're not very
Auntie, writer. I think say I was saying penny 4 year near Sefata. Because a picture here me she. I think say me a juma no near ni man answer the writer.
Papa ye nim. Them boapayo eka. Yeah, our leaders are taking and they are making useless decision. Young country, they are making useless
now
decisions.
A very big I can't say picture. Now swa ye bosso division 2 match. Now
big matches.
Now mu miem and Emri bi atwam kra Ghana. I say Ghana ekobo tournament bia. Omutumi ba ha. Epe bezi e we kropon ha na that pitch na no mo ye den. Omo de ye omo training bibia. Na so be biem mo mpo e de account no miem. No an artificial pitch. Kete. Kwadukro Methodist kwahwe artificial pitch na down. As a long tennis pitch. Oh, right a mensre.
Oh,
no grab ba ko pe mensre. Wo de che me enfa na obegina tu corner kick e wo sa pitch no. Che me enfa na obetu corner kick.
Aso na ni wo no obegina.
What you say?
Sad o.
Very sad. Mo because no grab ba ko say instance e was sempanyfo pe ba bi omo beye ade na nkasa. And we mo akonya ne yeso ne ye kese mu san miam ne kese o san miam
bibini adwen wu
what you say
they got themselves leaders
me say committed this dia na kohwe me ba adwuma e ho na menam
yes
committed this dia no da bia mi twama mi bisa say enti ni obetu kona no obejina hin for etu kona no
I saw that puppet na wo no no obejina ma etu kona
what you say unse kwan ni ho no a e wo sanka ye da pitch no ho
jana fesi mame
but chinchinia sika ho aba kwan abeda ho kakra bi nti yenkwa ebibi ensi baabi na nka no so yemfa enwo asa yesrem oti ase ye be srem panyifo se ni se ana omba ne de ne ye be yi omunya kra na sports ne ye be gunu kra ye gunu.
Okay. All right, Papa Fresh and also things want so editing come ediaba oko Facebook message no ba na eguso ebo eba e won mo okay Bella ediaba Bella more fire and na ko feel Korea Jman so the aba more fire Zigibi oban send message no reply was here come on so reply no DJ Weather GH or say writer flu okay na kobna ofori or say massive heat or not team anima ichirasi funny pan yashisa and our brand and Dini Otega more fast watch you live inside marvelous Helba home adesso blue tap Otega yes Kruma journalist for do I also monitor from afar say Kruma is here adesa interview and I'll copy my okay my can this message Elisha as my kind DJG offer Maxwell I say more fire 100%. Okay, senior, doom reka kranianko.
Rather. And say when you are yes, okay. Because Otia na we say work at 7 yam paying for no Sebio period. Because idea where no Sebi 1 year and 1 away. Because Oshe me start fee yen ha local Ademuma send ye ne yaka no Ademum park ye parka e hostu the whole Ghana colleges nyina e hostu the whole Ghana where sports wo tumika wo lawn tennis triple jump long they say we bia wo park no so park nangasa wo ni shape aye what tracks mark 8 apart from that track mark 18 there's another lane wo abetimi aka be 9 ye wo ho And I said nana eka no. Yam papa sorry. So we football. Park ne fu. Ya go fa trata mark 3 yantima no park no. Cause ne fu 3. Me ka wona ni na say. Wow. Ya bom modenya do park no. Me ga ukatete. Ani wajata.
Odobi.
Ah.
Now say but this answer say my papa yo.
Ya do park ni wie ma park ne beda so kama. Ya sha say be football. That day ne say you football. That day na na abo buy so the park na my contract. That day na or the park na my contract. Ndima mo born no park ne so.
6 weeks or baba.
Or the park na my contract too. Pa our na contract ndima ye mo. Oh, onabo. Ya hia bibia yo si debi. Ye wo park ne so. Dan to kwa wo. Na no okore no. Yempre. Yetu ye boom principal. Dan tell na principal je fe no aba foforo. Dron so hu ni amane so ye. And the minister buyer o say, "Oh nana, me ye wo park na ma o na ni age." Say na ya ye kokbo ba so no ni on ti ase ma ye. Na me papa ni mu say go be shown. Wow. Oh, we shown. Oh, we shown. On abu shown is simple. Wow. Oh, you find ho. Because ebe pem ne park ni wenti mi anye. On abu ama. Wenti mi anye. Na me fa blem ni ma on abu bebre. Ni nkrofo di na eche ne kan ho. Okay. Because park ye ni say natural park a okwa dem park ho no bia ye bobo bobo bia we akwape mu abeba dem park because park ne ye den eda so hini jan ne be ye park ne brasa ho na we training. Wow. Park ne size ne ye 70 by 100 park ne nkwia
standard park
70 by 100 park ne nkwia na tracks ne ade na e won che ne maaye so wo park a eye 70 by 100 a then I I can't suppose them gray. Tamale was in a we is 70 by 100. Parking said that dawo. Junction parking.
It's ever Monjan Life for Facebook parking here come was yes. Yes, that's so.
Now right I was me ben park no. And the project be could be no me wa around. And the time I contact any tradi olucha circle we. Say circle is a roundabout too. Me said that one you go beside papa. Ade a wutwe park ade a wutwe ye tuminika was you. Ye ball long tennis was so triple jump wo also ni na bekum. It should ade say ye hu ye serew. Wow. Na onu ade bi ye kwaso wo park no so. We say contractor no. Maba say wona ye contractor wona waje adwuma na. Enye wona wo ye adwuma no. Adwuma bi akwaso bia wo another contractor wo hwe so. Enti eso no ye parking. Eso no ba be ye we so be stance. We bekọ masisi place ni ade wa be ye stance en. Wo de irons na de ni na nwa chekere wa be ye stance en. Ni na wo ho. Enti eso no ye stance. Eso no ba be duru so. Eso no enti ema adwuma na nkasa ne se na nkwase ne ye wo se ekon. Because school no here park because I want to go to Minika was. The last time I school you go I sports no wo ko ku apaman. Wo ko ku apaman o. What was standard sports stadium a wo to Minika ye hosu Ghana nyina we colleges. E wo ho. Enne kwahwe hwe park no. Ona abuso be na asrete for man. Ya ka hu asem se asrete for park na ga ba bia park no won kasa yie nsum. Enti say o ya asrete for na be ha wadwene. Wo so da bia nua na ye. Oh, ebe ye kama and you go say it we. Last time we say akwanda janji say we twa wall afade wi. Tracks no be den also be say twa tracks na afa. Tin bi say nti say we twa track ne fa dade na chi a no nipa tumirika. Na ne ho obre ko tumirika wu tumirika bre. No ja ne ho a enye dade na wa kopem.
Nti o hwa de ya.
Oba say oba also be twa tracks na afa chi. Nti wan what be da.
Nti da we obetimi twa we dey afechi
also kwan down a baby a
yo senior ben hu ase ba na me bisa say wo hwe baby a omso betwa we ewechiri eno no o
na nka ne papa mu no eye ho se America no lawn tennis ni na ahye akinim no one fan say na ba ya supporters link me enkom is there why your park ni gba waje hu wu ya say ba be ye tracks ni waje na tracks be je hu afan obebubu we no say ujuru hu ya uti mu say sabio sabe ujuru hu ya say adwene bi anim wow hwe kofodia Materis Park who why I straight for I straight for one over one 2 corner 1 2 through tese ujuru ya utimu say yampemfu na aye wonte won ase se waka so abaye ni chinchin na e wo so ye
yes
tese ujuru wa wonte ase
but they are not all planning for that
honorable abiru park yes eleko 8 years ni what start park otu wo se obetu minika fa no watwa minika we na fa park ye ni abiru park ye ni mo ya gbogbo wo so ya ni park ultimate tu minika fa honorable say still minika beba ho na contract agina ho na utwa park no de minika to ho na we atwa no de minika to na enye ye ne wasia beduru wow afro ye ni kwahwe
me question is obi ajuma you go around and inspect you supervise
yes
honorable ana yera samie okuna enim so no obeso ye what you mean about rounds about the nature of Ademi Park nana et maybe say no and as in 70 bi ayeka no what see and be so the be adwuma na so nte because as you said park na wo ho no you huru long jump e wo ho America ye ko so volleyball ye bo ni nyina no sanka wo ye wo ma then you fence it what fence the theft and waja wachin so ba be tracks wachin we are wasan fence theft it doesn't make sense. You are Samuel Kumestro. The people are the contract ma. Munche come around and inspect it. So punye bi mo dia. Fine, em so be ye dia. Come around and inspect. Ebu another kind of report I want
school no ko check na wo ko check ana school no promise one say park and what to make was in so what na went to me ya what to make was and when you America kwan ma school na ga ba ye America no wo ayo kwa na make chira won wow because school no win ya say when you America baby obetum nika den e wo so ka we believe say park and all about we expect it or my because ana two say we a project na now there's no architect bi ogina won what don't say sports stadium we e be kwase e be because utie won we say you phase 1 phase 2 phase 3 yes. Phase 1 ye pitch no yes. Phase 2 ye tracks no and stage 3 ye we stand na ye better na so but kwase say when we stage 1 na ye pitch you but we stands it stage 2 na we move na ye wen stage 2 na what who ye stage 2 you we stage 3 we ye stands
course papa okay course
when you very careful yes there won
okay
ya pe niye why ye wi aye ni beje why ye wi ni mampon we di na ne ya Samuel park ye wo mampon yi ana ne ya no use yi e natural glass chese na tefa yes chese na tefa fe because
of maintenance
sa aslo telefone no kura wode bagana ne kura nye enye papa
because of maintenance inti
aslo telefone wo Ghana ne wode ba ni
nyina ye natural grass
ni wode bagana ni nyina nye e de dawo wa use ya enye papa enti wo ba enu bosumi abiesa na say wo sesa ana wodi ya aboro sa
okay yana face ba
because yes kana na wo say ne enko kwa asem de best ma koka because me hu say Ghana han promise ni ye empemfo ne de promising ye di yam promise sisi ya na be kan sisi ya owi a wawie cause you wan hu say e cheap talk it is one ya we nya about windi enye but you say Ademi Park na da for 2024 anything na da wo
I mean ka some njuro bia
da wo 2024
politician na odi Ademi Park no ayewa agenda and then aba be gina so dia pe voter then you are having it wrong I mean ka some njuro who campaign against you obeya yeah meme transfer me politics in 2020 same happened.
Oh yes.
Young kind of leaders are what best would the see one no woman wan adwunu mu na won sa. Come on, we should stop doing this. So by yeah No be able say this person adwuma no betu buy. Not say we saw the score political points. Both parties, the MPP and the NDC, at times they become useless in some of these things.
Actually, the whole Eastern region, right? You need sports stadium.
Yeah, face mame.
The whole Eastern region, you need sports stadium. Yeah, Mashia, yeah, ko Tamale, yeah, ko Wa, yeah, ko. They say Eastern region there bang Accra no. You want you know. Let me yarn say the whole president of Eastern region, the whole president of Eastern region.
Yeah, face mame uncle.
Oba bemwe empemfo apawo nyina Eastern region. Nti wonya hwe yenya hwe o yesere won ense ye bia yetan obi adwuma bi o bia anya yasem but yende ye wo mu no ye mayen edu weekends a tama na papa esare bo modi make sure so obeye ye bobo bron no chale du Saturday and Sunday ya ko PTC kwahwe obi awo it was fantastic eye fe. Nti den na afide akoye abuachi bidin.
Okay.
Isi ope baby abobo kura wunya wo ekropon. Okay. Ope baby abobo abiru wunya because one year when so obeye. All right. What the ones abeka ni wajai. Hwe pole a ohini dia de si won na ye pole emu ye ding doku ya twitwai on ne contract an.
Sini aye na face mam.
Wo tutu ni ma wo juru park na nyina wie ni na wo fa sa ba ni bura won wo de kwai.
Okay.
Ban what the ban kwa you. But the park tete no let's see what the down. What time no what the kwai.
You na face mam ni.
But one kasa de na what be see park so one time farmer. O wie o say obi a wo ye MP for yen time on so ye. Time on so you. Time on so ye. Say obi jai yen we ja woko. Ji say o ma.
Siniaba mama callers na bem oko Facebook a Prince the Bossy AK more fire. So and Oga Walker, I say yes, our leaders are very wicked, very fantastic. A show Gatuso, I say more fire. Also, the idea area by Evasana Farmer Vena Water. My catcher say, I will be PMO Fiasi, Piano Numbi. Now, Osha Vena Water na say, oh, yeah, party, oh, yeah, Dory, program be a we piano, say, Ube P. Open so piano ma, open so be the bar. Obenye bina buana ma bia so netumi e kama na nika semene se okopiema Ghana Medical Association womo agiatum kama and also okopiema ISO and also CCP womo abo omabaso it later say yes Vena water nsuo no ofe bia eno ejeno na nkoma so enshada nye fidia go. Don't forget it's a 1xbet eso aso emu a my culture say boys no just register your deposit 100 cities 50 cities onya your first deposit na wo betimi acho bonus 50 na wa ye na wo becho bonus na 100 cities it oya ye na na g 50 na wo betimi the bonus no the twabet na abo na ma biasa no etimi come on me still live Okuma Radio 97.1 to Jagu Sports. Yes, Pemuka call us betimi aba 0551 667755 0551 667755. Na also the wadwenkyerɛ ɛde aba ɛnya atem didie ɛyɛ adwenkyerɛ ne yɛhyɛ ɔbo no waka tie pa ma me de yɛhyɛ ɔbo no waka na osu etiefo mu ne yɛkɔ ɛne nea ɛba. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Pacho di ni bebi afrefi.
Mo fẹ́ mi Kwame me fefe koko.
Mr. Kwame, Pacho yanko enim.
Ana je fẹ́ mi mbo ma baso. Abo adwuma pa.
Yeda se.
Na asamba kwa ene yawo. Aye ya de mpaki. Eguri. Me de bia me kase obu wa beka se boys bi mpa adwuma yi won yesi. My park ne kan na park ne da wono. Park ne gwa yin. Park ne gwa yin. Ibi so bi no musa wa no kra na. Okọ bobo anopa ewia nti onum ayesi nipa pebo aba wokoyin. Park esi da wo se astrotef etwa mu 10 years obi krum ye de first en ejon e kan wo ye inter schools ni ade training college free nti wo ye sade yes wo park esi ye de sign aya na mobo nti se ya mpe bibia ya and man be sina na me bi se ojun wa ya.
Okay, Kwame Bedase. Hello, good evening. Wentimi amba 0551 667755 0551 7755. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Boss Patroni baby Afrefi.
Meeting the Oku Francis to the Lampard.
Oh, Lampard.
Right.
Lampard, you're good.
I just my taxi topic come on my knee. Young politicians now work by as MP near them. Tembia would disappoint you. When we say currently, Samuel Kubai over 5,000 crowd in the summer car park and to over the 80 obediently airways if you park in the down. She at the middle park, I have Bob Kang, your Bobo also. Abuasa, number 9, Lampard. Near Bobo, the car for party so. And no partner of the Tama yako primary school ni adu within school. Inter ni ade no hona na ye inter schools ni adu ho yitu midikane ade. Sisi obe na Titan track. Ben pa na ebe park the baby.
Yara festival.
Onga te park na maye. Ena me ko Eastern region nso a. Mobo papa so we Eastern region a you need park. You need say Eastern region a then ye the bobo also. In the Usha Parker, nobody is one near the Wasona, and your papa. And I could fully expose people to spin to the park in the
okay, you're a festival man.
It's your elbow.
Okay, Lampard, last. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Boss Patroni, baby, our free.
Allah Henny.
Bravo.
Allah Henny.
What's your great?
Na yɛn mpanyinfoɔ no ɔmo bɛ wiase no ɔmo to mirika dadeɛ.
Oh, befre dem.
Ana bɔ ɔmo bɔ bi da.
Oh, ebi ma bɔ bɔɔl bi pɛn, ebi ma bɔ bɔ.
O se ebi ma bɔ wɔ pɛn.
Ebi ma bɔ bɔ. Oh, ɔmo bɔ. Nse nkɔla brɛ mu deɛ bɔɔl no na ɔmo bɔ, but ɔmo nyi yɛn na ayɛ yi kakra.
So ɔmo nyi yɛn na ɔmo de ɔmo nyi yɛn na ɔmo nya bebi gyina yɛn na ɔmo nya ɔmo ansika no. Ɛna ɔmo de wi nsa.
Oh.
Ebi kɔ yi ase. It depends, ma.
Mr. Pacho, retracting my Pacho. Senior, Pacho, hormonal retracting my Pacho. It's all due respect.
Oh, Master. Pacho, advantage.
Senior Pacho, Mr. retracting my change my mama. Oh, they change my mama. Not yaso. Change my mama.
I mentioned Sana Chroma about Chroma in Chiesani at the Papa no Chroma.
Mr. Maybe Tiasia, but hormone anyway. Change my mama. Not yaso. Pacho.
No musica when you're done on the Chroma. Oh, sorry. I don't know the apostle.
Senior, Mr. retracting my mama.
Now when I'm out, Sicase, Sasamon, my and Kanjro, and that's my incoming. Oh, my idea. I don't want to. If you come when you can pretty much, never what you say? Yet, I just want to say about the crime of Busu as fat. The year did they? Everything I couldn't say to. Oh, see, you're not faithful. Oh, my God, what are you for? How will make me do trust Asham? Regional capital, look at our sports stadium. Stadium back, we see a system with your neck. Obako, what is the go Omundu 8? They be a la like and I'm Hosa Jamaica Betutu and conform to contain the Smith. I say, ye be yen. It is young, when you come when you, what you say, young Tim for Yena to me, and I'm holding crying. 2 million chromosomes, what you say, obey president, obey minister, it's me for the more to me, obey a son of mine, it's me for the more to me. It's between and also Yenetico for Jasia. We have to be both. Yen come when you no one die, no one yet in such a. What you say? No one is sick and no one should be done. No one says your money. And then the answer. Aha. It's ya, man, Cassa, or because I am chin sign ya, the Adina, the Adeno. Yan children sign. Huh? What's your criminal then or what you know? And ye asked the Biomanum. Ever bonds one day. Huh? A year say, Mamintro, Chroma, Sika, eh? Mamintro Domidi, or Bromidable. A dream may be a sport to gas. Uboko no oma pake cars and sign nam name mape and yan one akoso kruma at the problem akoso kruma and then ranti omobobo you for now protect you for now na ko nsa for nam kruma ejuma pepe na akoso kruma regional capital mo
okay
your all resources all active centers input over na akoso a Omu nsembunu no mu di ni engineer.
Okay, medase. Enyezi, amanfu edwa. 0551 667755 0551 667755 Osu betimi afraba na odi wadwen kire e de abana aboa no ma bia so etimi kama 0551 667755 0551 667755 na enye ya sa suba bia ambasa biom okay obeye yina yako yebeye yina yako okay yene yako
okay zuba yakwa anwumre yi yenko na yenko piem bara so bia bantina ofan wi ana yakwa enim
hello, good evening.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
But what did baby Afrefi?
Yeah, I'm Mesa. I'm calling from Gulf City.
Gulf City,
Pompe
barrier.
Yeah.
All right.
Charlie, things where they go on right now there. Charlie, the country the hot power. Things where they go right now. The big market, the big mall, they seize for the money, they chop. The old people they take our girlfriends level.
Hey.
Wow. Wow. I think they are a lie.
Oh, it be so. It be true way they talk.
The young people they don't get any work to do now. Charlie will suffer too much.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye. 0551 667755 0551 667755 Indeed. Boys, no, she chroma as a beer system to easy. It's true. Okawa margin, near Shomobono, and Mupimpi Guasa, and Zuba, ye yanko.
Like to be honest, I'm out for any aberrate. Oh, yes, of course, for my gun and mono. Zuba, Melbourne, any aberrate, you know, we have a Bunata politician, a woman who used to I told you what. Rooney's Bookshop and Stationery, and you may make come for Eddie Mao, and I don't know, Rooney's Bookshop and Stationery. Say, and you know, a banner, a year books, Edin Juma, Samson Stationery, and I think so. A cardia teacher for Eddie Chiradiano, and Rooney's Bookshop and Stationery, Yakofam, Eddie Abba, so pet textbooks, Edma, Oba, levels, in our fitness, you copy my senior high school, be say golden, excellence, a year, masterman, and I think so the best brain, yawo. Exercise books, G, D1, A1, and a C, and also no Rooney's Ewo. Teacher's notebook, A4 sheet, diaries, a banner markers, tempera, and a permanent yetumbi. Calculators, say scientific, and no Rooney's Yako, Akofa, Ediaba. Storybooks, crayons, and our fins on pencils, Ningen Ansono, Yaton. A banner Bible, as of for Obayan Chere, Yamisem and Unia, or Bible no cop, Nakoto free, a year Rooney's Bookshop and Stationery. Afe, correction flutes. Dictionary, set square, Samson at Nataraj product, say mathematical set, Ningen Anson Rooney's, Yakofabi, Ediabaya say stamp parts, writing boards, Ninano, Yedumujumana, Tuba, Adiaba Rooney's air, Marisu and say, was sign aquacofa acrylic paint, Ediaba, until Nino, Unhebia, Oko Rooney's air bookshop and stationery, on Sam Ebeka. Afei so no artist brush na say mo draw near the mope pencil na mo brush see the drawings na man akọ n'anim ukokopie mu e Rooney's Bookshop and Stationery onsa ebeka sounds na poster colors ni nyina no Rooney's akwakofa enso no e de aba enti oyowofo akora ne beko school ni books abato nyina no ko na kotofi eye Rooney's Bookshop and Stationery se na meka en finery akopim senior high school no ono so no e books ni nyina bi e wona so ye Ope Rooney's echira kwan a o manfi ekuapem police station no anymore pe ho ane no Rooney's Bookshop and Stationery enso no ewo ana frɛ no 0249 219 599 0249 219 599 ana ni twato no 0243 946 483 0243 946 483. Now so ni Rooney's Bookshop and Stationery and so no Indi Enkomo. Rooney Bookshop and I say lending and I say learning made easier. Next addition hey I have 445 sample crack on so no omre ho ekra.
Okay, tieke and I'll tell you Kahanamo area juvenile no ebesi by ka sene say nyame admo chena anapebetena si na your command global sports ready about from 10 to 12 nyame admo chene numbre ochire numbre yenge tutujegu ye the live commentary by UEFA Champions League onim so ochina matches e wo papa but ye the PSG and Dortmund 7 p.m. and ye betina so ochina 6:45 paying ochina near Thras 7 p.m. ye the Champions League PSG and Dortmund ebe ba nti ochina no tutujegu enyo na ukwada no so anapa ye betina se enumbre na ye the UEFA Champions League. Don't forget say nyame adoma ukwada no yes beka ko PM the Ghana Premier League match day 1 matches outstanding games be wiewiem enumbre no na ye the UEFA Champions League live commentary area Bayern Munich and Manchester United. Mamena team na say be a very superb and the producer o match no ball draw nti draw no boy no enyama said am fa no amana kra say utwa ye you and I didn't yes sir the amano and the mamembo brand the dine ayeke brown abaso so and akopie man DJ Ziggy DJ okay DJ Weja and then Weja super yeah DJ Weda so yeah ma ava viaso it's here come DJ Donzi and also Nana Damia Esther Bella are senior on duty so na Papa Fresh Omni Boama Kama ma biasa no etime kama Mr. Gideon na Kofi Corey Ajiman zaso na kupiwa manager yes Mr. Kweku eya Boatin or very sukuducious kromano Mr. amavo yada na yada di mane every time in the writer commentator yame arabachana ye betena say from 10 kwa kosi eya 12 enombre ye the live commentary UEFA Champions League e the ebaba yame arabachana na pa yenhia e Kuma Radio 97.1. Yamfa Serano Enfama Vena Water Salso and Akopima 1xBet T74 and also Bell Ice. Omo and so ya kama yadi tutujegu aye jumedi no e de bai. Ochina yebeshia.